Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last video, we covered up to pattern number 24. Now I am talking about the 25th pattern. What is this pattern? It is the same like this particular pattern. Okay, it is same like this particular pattern. Like I can say it is something like pattern number 21. So how we are going to display? Please listen carefully. A small change I will do here. Up to this okay, but next I want to take only 5 stars. Next I want to take only 5 stars. So after this I want to take 4 stars. Next 3, next 2. Okay, next 2, next 1. Like this I want to display. How we can able to do that? Already we have program for this, right? If you display pattern by using this program, like this we are getting. Let us see the analysis part. It is printing the content from 1 to 336. If you want, then we have taken 7. Now after this, how many stars you required? 1 2 3 4 5 stars you required. That means you have to start from 5 to up to which value? 0. Here step is +1, here step is -1. Except these changes, nothing is there. Let us see really is it going to work out or not. So same program I am repeating. Same program I am repeating. Now let us execute. You can see we got the same stars, just the direction I will change it. Let us start from 6 to 0. Step value is -1. Now you can see we are getting stars in this style. But here this row value 2 times repeated, right? But we need only one time repetition. Correct, right? We need only one time repetition. That's why I will take from 5. I will take from 5. Now you can see. So like this we are going to get. This is the way how you can able to print stars in multiplication. Like whatever pattern we have there, mirror image of that pattern I combined both. Right? I think you got very clear clarity how we can able to display this particular pattern. Thank you guys.